Bit of cream on, it's quite hot out there today. Hate it if it goes in your eyes. Come on, let's go. We've got the council strimming, but what's the point of strimming when you don't strim round the grids? They're up against the walls. Look at that, might as well not have bothered. Not strimmed in there. No idea. Have I made a mistake in this heat? I want to go to Silverdale. I'm going to go along the coastline, and there's a high tide around about 2 o'clock. But with this direct sunlight, it could be too hazy. No clouds. There's a few wispy clouds up there. In my head, I know I've probably made a mistake coming out because I'm going to get too hot and the conditions. But my heart wouldn't let it go. And I wanted to get out when it's a beautiful day and do a little bit of walking, a bit of photography. So, been a bit lazy as well. I'm only going short distance. It's 15 minutes on the train. In a couple of weeks heading up to the lakes with Mr. T. We're going to walk around Derwentwater. It's a 10-mile walk. It's on the flat, so it's a bit easier. A lot more iconic photography scenes as well. We can take it easy and chill, have a bit of lunch and a coffee and a bit of banter. So that's in a few weeks' time. Oh, it's warm. It's warm. Platform 3 today. 2 weeks ago. Platform 5 over there. We're sat over there and it's over here. Wish they'd make their minds up. I'm just walking through this, it's like a wild garlic wood, and little patches of light and shadows. I'm just trying to get a few compositions while I wait for the tide to come up. High tide in about 2 hours. So I'll just have a bit of a pot around here. Right, I'm down on the shore. There's a kiln in the distance. The tide's coming in. Right, I've focused on this rock at the front, that little man-made pavilion thing in the distance, and some of the rocks out there. I'm doing a 30-second exposure. See how this turns out. The tide doesn't have coming fast around here. I am at the lime kiln. The tide is coming up. I'm hoping, I don't think it will, that it gets into this area here and I can get a long shot, but it's still coming in. It's still coming in slowly. I've got my camera here, and when I put my tripod legs down, it was on dry land. So as you can see, it's still coming in quite rapidly, and just wait a little bit and hope that it gets at least another foot or so higher. It'll be good, it'll be nice. You can do what you want, you see. I've got all this place to myself. I'm going to get some lunch now. I was going to take a walk along and around the coast, but I can't be faffed. The simple reason, the water is too smooth and the light is too harsh. It's more of a job on a rough day. It'll be a lot better on a rough day when there's a bit of movement, clouds, etc, etc. So that's another option, and I can get my zoom down into the coves and get the waves crashing against the rocks, but nothing's happening here. It's just too smooth, too smooth. There's a shot there with them two dandelions, the seeds. Everywhere you look, there's little compositions. What a nightmare. I took a wrong turning on the way back. I thought, I've not been up here before. And it went on and on and on and up and up. Not that high, but up. Then across a few fields. And I came out, Hollins Lane. That's what I wanted, Hollins Lane. But I was on Hollins Lane further down. So, got a bit of a route march to get back for this train at 3:31. The next train is 4:35. I don't want to wait here for an hour. So it's about 28 minutes past now. I've made it. Whew. God, I was angry. Just dithering, taking pictures, not concentrating on what I'm doing. And I could have added another hour onto my day. Never mind, we've made it. Anyway, it's been a good day out. It's been a bit warm, to be honest. I've just got 2 mouthfuls of water left. 15 minutes, I'll be back home in Lancaster. Oh, gone. Only a mouthful. Oh. I've learned this tip. Walk to this end of the platform, and when you get to Lancaster, you haven't got as far to walk.